Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue where your iPhone's app turn white after updating to iOS 18. Just follow these simple steps to get them back to normal. Let's get started. If the white app is inside a folder, try this quick trick. Press and hold the app, drag it out of the folder, then drag it back in. This works for some people, but if doesn't work every time, just like that, you can see here, and again goes to the file for this, like this. You should again it put on the file, then press and hold any app like this, tap edit home screen option, then tap resize apps by making them larger from here, edit option, then customization, then by giving larger it will sometimes can fix it. If that didn't work, don't worry, try the next step. Open the app store, then tap the profile icon at top of the screen right corner, then check for any updates here and tap update all, and individual you can all the apps update it. Sometimes older apps need an update to work with the new iOS version. Then the next step is go to the settings, then tap the general option, then tap the iPhone storage option. Make sure you have at least 5 GB of free space. If you are running low, deleted unused apps, photos or videos. Low storage can cause apps to malfunction. Then for force restart, press and release the volume up button and down button, and press and hold the side button for force restart, just like that, until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Slide down to force restart. This force a restart and reloads the software, which can fix many issues. Then reset home screen layout. You need to go the settings, then tap the general, then scroll down and find the transfer or reset iPhone option, then tap the reset option, then tap reset home screen layout option. This won't delete any data, it just restores the home screen layout. Then the next step is for the software update. Go to the settings, then tap general, then you can see the software update option here. Tap on it. If any update is available, just install it. Hopefully one of these fixes work for you. If you found another solution, share it in the comments. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.